order. But whenever we are talking about pseudo first order reaction, I hope so you are knowing very well the meaning of the word pseudo. Okay, but a pseudo means what it's look like in actually it is not there. Okay, what it's look like in actually it is not there. That is called pseudo first order reaction. Me usually what we are saying, these are the reactions. Truly, what I told, these are the reactions which are not truly of first order, but under the certain conditions they becomes first order. Clear? Now we'll do some examples regarding that. First example is here we are having hydrolysis of ethyl acetate, COO C2H5 plus H2O in the presence of H positive. Okay, then what we are making over there, beta? We are making CH3 COOH plus C2H5OH plus C2H5OH. Okay, now you see, can you tell me the molecularity of this reaction, beta? If you will see it very carefully, then molecularity you will find out. Molecularity of this particular reaction, you will find out two reactant. Molecularity will be 2, but if you will see the order, okay, but order will be 1. Now question arises, sir, why molecularity is 2 and why order is 1? Molecularity is 2 because there were 2 reactant. Order is 1. You know why the order is 1? Because of the reason that the water present in which, where, in this 1 only. Clear? There is only one reactant which is dependent upon the rate of reaction. That is why it is of first order reaction. I think now you understood. The reaction was looking like is of second order, but in actually it is of first order. Students, we will take one more example regarding that. That is called hydrolysis of sugar, or you can say inversion of sugar. Okay, I will take example of C12 and one is fructose. Clear? Now here also, beta, you can see how many reactants are there. Total reactants are 2, so its molecularity, yeah, molecularity is looking like 2. Molecularity कितनी है इसकी? 2 है. Again I am writing the molecularity of reaction is 2, but its order is 1. Why 1? Because water again is present in excess. Okay, that is why it has no effect. But we have done in the +1 class also that reaction is always done by the limiting reagent. How it's done? By the limiting reagent.